everybody. This is Sailorboy #1 actually. Welcome to my little travel vlog here. As you can see, we are in Percha. Yeah. Peniche. We are in Peniche. We were in this beautiful, not beautiful, but it's very safe anchorage from every wind direction. And we had some quite strong winds here, and you know, very grateful to be here. But it was very cold. We wanted to go south, so we had a little bit of rock sträcka. You know, it was no turns, only straightforward south here. So we wanted to go here to this anchorage, which is not safe from every direction, but yeah, it's rarely blowing from southeast. So and also if it were supposed to blow from southeast, we could go into Lisbon, which is kind of close here, as you can see. Here we have Lisbon, so we could go in there. But anyway, it was one day of traveling, quite a handful of we did engine like in the beginning, and in this bit here was like 30 knots, 35 even sometimes, so it was quite the ride. And I did not think it was supposed to be like that, but we did reef in time, so I'm very glad for that. Oh well, see you later. Hola baloba. As usual, we have shit weather. Now we're gonna leave. It's 17 degrees. It's extremely wet and cold here. We can't even do anything here. We have a little wind here now, 5 knots. Outside this wall, there are probably a lot more. We will try to sail away here to Lisbon, get at least 25 degrees for a day. Then probably it will go down and be shit weather there too. But we will see. So I will hoist sails and stuff. Oh my. Okay. First I have to take away the sail cover and fix everything here in the cockpit to be ready to sail away, because it looks a little bit not ready here. Sailboat. Hola. The anchor was easy to get up actually, but it held really good, and I got some seaweed on it when I got it up, but it was okay. So now we are going out here. I hope it's not to get in the way of any fishing boats or big vessels here. I can see there's a big boat out here, double mast, some kind of pirate ship. And also there was a boat beside us yesterday. It's gone now, so it must have been going out. Yeah. So I'm ready with my sails. We are gonna have a wing on wing, I think. So when we just go out here in the clear of the fishing vessels, I will take up anchor. I mean sails. Okay, very cool boat here, and I know that boat, I think. No, I don't. I thought I knew. Maybe I do. I don't know. There was a boat like that in Vigo when we were there. We were anchored beside him, and he seems to like it there. The wind is blowing from that direction, so it's quite a good anchorage over there actually. But you know, there's a lot of boats here going in and out, big fishing boats, also small ones, all the time in and out. So I prefer not to be here, I think. Hola baloba. We're just outside of the shit port here, and there are fishing nets everywhere. so it's very hard to get out of here. We're trying to go more out at sea, but you know, there are 1 million small boats and thousands of nets, and they're going around like maniacs here. Yeah, a little bit frustrated, I could say, because it's hard to sail and the wind is as usual shit when I'm gonna sail. And that's how it is, you know. But I think wind is out there. I can see ripples in the sea, so yeah, wind will come. So we will put the engine out, sailboat out. That's okay, we can see how my I have an extra hole here in my sail, and I always wonder why, but now I can see here, you know, it's this one, so maybe this one can go down here, so we don't have this flop here. But you know, I can see my sail up there is on, it's not feeling so good. So yeah, we'll see if we can do something about that. See you later. Hello, yeah. Okay, now we're sailing like kings again, but we're doing like 3 knots only. We have not so much wind, but I can feel the wind is going up now, which is good, because then we're going fast, and that's good. Still lots of fishing nets everywhere here. They're coming when you get close to them. Also we had dolphins. A big gang of dolphins here, or a pod maybe you say, I don't know. A murder of dolphins, no, I don't know. A flock maybe, we'll see. I'll Google it. Okay. Going to Lisbon, but we won't go into Lisbon. We'll go outside to some place there and stay there for maybe 2 or 3 days. Then we're gonna go south. We're gonna go south to another place, which is better, I think. It's gonna blow a lot even in Lisbon in some days, so I'm gonna try to go south as fast as we can. Yeah. And it's starting to get a little bit sunny here, so we're gonna take the shades on. Okay, see you later. Going to we are doing a snubber here, and not a snubber. You know, when you throw anchor and you want to have it, you know, if it gets stuck in something, you want to be able to, you know, put something in that hole over there, so you will be able to get it up better, easier. Because, you know, the place we're going to now have a history of having anchors getting stuck everywhere, because there's a lot of fishing stuff and old anchors and chains on the bottom. So that was a big wave, and so we are doing that. And we couldn't find any floating buoys to buy, so we bought these ones to you know, very cheap, 150 euros, and you know, they really do fine. I think we will take something other later on, but for now they're good. Also I can use them if I am going to swim. Okay, and then we have 3 boats have been going past us now. In the morning there was one big boat. He had main sail up, and he was going for engine in there. He passed us kind of, and it was a Pingu, Austrian boat. We have seen him on a lot of places, and we always think that we will never see him again, but then he come. Now we did the same. So we saw him in Muros, and we have seen him here, and we saw him in, what was the place called, I don't know, but we have seen him in lots of places. And then there was a Georgian boat, only engine. He went past us now, and I can see there's another boat behind us now coming, bare poles also. So we are the only ones sailing here with only sails, I think. Everyone is going for engine, but we are sailing because we are sailing boat. Also I'm a little bit cheap, but you know, you should sail when you have a sailboat. Even if I'm doing like 3.5 knots, but still I rather do that than say go for engine. So we have some stuff here to do. Yeah, I think we will be there in, I don't know, maybe 10 hours. If the wind is coming, which it should be doing soon, we're going to do like 4 or 5 knots, and then we're going to be in maybe 6 hours, so that's good. Okay, big swell, maybe 2 meters from the side. Not good, but what can I do? Nothing. See you later, I get it. Hola Baloba, Sailorboy here. It's like 11 o'clock, and we're doing like 3 knots here, so it's okay. But there was supposed to be a lot more wind than this. The clouds have lifted, went out to sea, so yeah, nice to have some warm weather here now. Only 3 boats have been going past us, so everyone went for engine. We are the only ones sailing, so that's nice. The only thing now is we have a big swell. It's making the boat go from side to side a lot. Also it making the sails flop a bit, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, I think we should be happy for what we have, at least. Yeah, so soon it will be food time, because I'm getting a little bit hungry. See you later, alligator. Hola Baloba. It's 1 o'clock. Wind finally came in, kind of strong. We are still doing only like 3 knots, because it's going up and down, but I can feel we are having bigger winds, so I think the wind will fill in now. Nice weather still, food is down. Yeah, going good. We are halfway, so we will be there like maybe 5 in the afternoon, and yeah, that's nice, very nice. See you later, alligator. Sailboy. Hola Baloba. We have like 26 to 28 knots of wind here, going with the wind, luckily. We have only a little bit of jib out. We're gonna go around that thing, so hopefully the wind will, or maybe not the wind, but the waves will go down a bit, because the waves are building now and getting really big. And maybe I have to hand steer soon, because we all know that autopilots and going with the wind is not so good, especially if it's going to get like 30 knots of wind, which we are almost doing now. Well, we will see. Hopefully we will.
Hola.
26-27 knop. Det har blivit lite lugnare, känns som. Innan var det ju rent för jävligt. Då var vi uppe på 30 knop nästan och nuddade.
Ja, 22 nu.
Ja, men det stod 25-26 och så gjorde jag 6 knop nästan. We have done the bad part now. I think the waves have calmed down, but the wind is almost stronger. We do like 30 knots here now. The boat is doing 6 knots, and we have 26 knots of wind, so that's like boat behind us here. There are a lot of fishing shit everywhere, so we have to be vigilant here.
Twice.
Why didn't we hold it up? Hola Baloba. Okay, so now have 15 like 18 knots almost behind us from the side, so now it's cool. Here's the other boat. I don't know where it's from, but it's sailing here beside us. Okay, so the wind is coming again, I can feel, so it's good, because then we will make good time. We're almost there. Behind that rock is the big anchorage. La Bala, so we have to watch out for fishing nets. They say they are everywhere here and they can be hard to spot, and we don't want to get tangled with those guys. So yeah, now we're only doing 4 knots. Oj, oh, ja, skitsamma. Det är ingen jävla boys. It's the big ships here. Fisher ships. I took out full Genoa now. I wasn't even scared this time. You know. Okay. See you later, alligator. Sailboat. Want to go?
Men den lyser... Varför lyser kontakten där då?
Nu gör den inte det.
Om inte invertern var igång. Den kontakten lös förut.
Gjorde det?
Ja.
Ja, men då stängde jag kanske av den efter du hade börjat ladda. Well, anyway, we are here in, you know, the place we were supposed to go. So here we are. We threw anchor here in this place. A lot of boats here from every corner in the world. So it's very warm here. I can feel the warm air, so I'm very happy actually. Very happy. I'm very happy. So now I'm gonna eat and maybe... No, I'm just joking. Maybe not. But anyway, we will see you tomorrow. Sailorboy.